French beauty secrets. Minimal effort, maximum glow. Welcome to my channel, Glow Up Guide. Bonjour, beauties. Ever wondered how French women always seem to age like fine wine? Today, I'm revealing the timeless French skincare secrets that keep them looking effortlessly young and radiant. Grab a croissant and let's dive into the Parisian skincare routine that will transform your skin and your mindset. Let's dive into these chic, skin-loving rituals. No one. The French philosophy. French women believe in simplicity. You won't find them using 12-step routines. Instead, they invest in a few high-quality products and stick to them. Their focus? Nourish, not strip. It's all about respecting the skin barrier and embracing your natural beauty. Number 2, gentle cleansing, the French way. Instead of harsh face washes, French women love micellar water. It cleanses without drying out the skin. Morning or night, a few gentle swipes, and your skin feels refreshed, never tight or irritated. Number 3, thermal spring water. This is not your average face mist. Thermal spring water, sourced from natural springs in France, is rich in minerals and antioxidants. It soothes irritated skin, calms a redness, and preps your face for moisturizer. French women use it daily, especially after cleansing, as a cooling, skin-nourishing ritual. Number 4, daily sunscreen is non-negotiable. The French know the sun is the skin's biggest enemy. That's why SPF is worn year-round, even when it's cloudy. Their sunscreens are lightweight, non-greasy, and blend seamlessly into the skin, making it easy to protect their complexion from premature aging and sunspots. Number 5, glowing skin starts from within. French beauty is not just what you apply, it's also about what you eat. They enjoy antioxidant-rich foods like berries, nuts, fresh vegetables, and the occasional glass of red wine. Their diet plays a key role in keeping their skin radiant and healthy from the inside out. Number 6, night creams and beauty sleep. A good night's sleep is one of France's best-kept beauty secrets. Before bed, French women apply nourishing night creams or oils to help the skin regenerate overnight. And there you have it, the elegant, minimal, and powerful French skincare routine that keeps you glowing at every age. If you loved these timeless tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty secrets from around the world. Comment below. Which French skincare habit will you try first?